Hey there, folks! Welcome back to another exciting recipe from our kitchen. Today, we're going to whip up some delicious peanut butter fudge, a perfect treat for any occasion. So, let's get started. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 pound of powdered sugar. Remember, we're using the creamy, smooth peanut butter for this recipe, not the natural kind. Now, let's get cooking. Point 1. Prep your pan. Line an 8-inch baking dish with parchment paper, leaving some overhang so you can lift the fudge out later. 2. Melt the base. In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine the peanut, butter and butter. Microwave on high for 1 minute stir, then microwave for another minute. Stir until smooth and fully melted. 3. Mix in the sugar. Add the powdered sugar all at once. Stir vigorously with a wooden spoon or spatula until the mixture becomes thick and paste-like. 4. Spread and smooth. Transfer the fudge into your prepared pan. Press it evenly into the corners using a spatula or your hands. You can place another piece of parchment on top to help smooth it out. 5. Chill to set. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours until firm. Then lift it out and cut into small squares. Here's a tip: if you're having trouble mixing the ingredients, you can use a hand mixer to help. Just be careful not to overmix, as that can cause the fudge to become grainy. Now, here's the tricky part. You need to let the fudge cool for at least 4 hours before cutting it into squares. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Once it's cooled, cut the fudge into small squares and enjoy. I've made this recipe several times, and it's always a hit with my family and friends. The combination of creamy peanut butter and sweet powdered sugar is simply irresistible. So, there you have it, folks. A delicious and easy to make peanut butter fudge recipe that's perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. And if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty treats. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Have you made this before? Let us know in the comments.